Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Eco Justice Foundation channel. Today I am going to be talking in reference to mental health versus family court litigation. Have you ever been in a situation where you are in court, you are in family court, or you are about to go to family court, and you notice that doesn't make any sense? Why you going in there? Why you being dragged into the court system? And why the actions of the other party, the mother or father of your child, it's actions that are irrational, it has irrationality, it has no meaning to the best interests of your children, and lacks empathy, even human empathy, and there's more involved. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you several tips how you deal with this kind of situations. I experienced myself. It took me a long time for me to start to learn how to deal with this behavior. I was not used to. Never in my life I thought that mental health was something so important because it affects the whole system, and it is hard to deal with when you don't have experience, when you don't have help. Stay tuned.
Navigating through a legal dispute can be challenging, and these complexities amplify when the other party is grappling with mental health disorder issues.
All right, so the first tip I'm going to give you is look for help. And this is not going to sound good. You need to get mental help yourself to deal with the situation from the other party, because the other party has mental issues. What happened is you act and you respond to their actions in a way that perhaps is normal for everybody, but their reaction is totally different, and then you get intrigued by it that you're in the middle of something that makes no sense. You're in the middle of a situation that is nothing about a dispute there, and it's getting worse, and you don't know what to do at this point because something very precious to you, which is your children, it's involved in the middle of it and is being affected by it. So the first tip is you trying to get mental help for yourself, also to educate yourself what to do because of the other person's actions.
Put some prevention strategies in place to protect your child. One of them makes sure you are aware of your child's all upcoming activities, like doctor's appointments and any other events your child will be attending. You should know the whereabouts of your child at all times and try to participate in all events as much as you can. The idea is that both parents would share information about medical and education. However, the truth is that parents in litigation don't share information, and they are too occupied with lawyers and upcoming court hearings. Be vigilant to any changes in the behavior of your child. A lot of times, a parent with a mental disorder will mentally abuse your child. It may be necessary for you to hire a children's psychologist. Do this not to gain an advantage on your case, but for the well-being of your child. Understanding the dynamics of legal disputes involving individuals with mental health issues requires empathy, patience, and specialized knowledge.
Okay, so now you have planned your vacation, you wait the whole year, you're ready to go, and your children are not going because of the action of the other party. Something that they did, it's causing you not to go on this vacation. Or you did go on vacation, and then when you are in the middle of vacation, the other party is causing you problems, or when you come back, you go and end up in court from false accusation or whatever it is. You want to be able to deal with this situation in a very rational way, even if things doesn't go your way, but you wanted to make sure that you do document it. It might be useful to you. And you also that you're dealing with the situation and you understand you're not dealing with a normal person.
Do not anticipate typical conclusions, actions, or reactions from an individual dealing with mental mental health challenges, as they are often unpredictable. Therefore, ensure your safety by refraining from close contact. Avoid being alone with them in locations lacking surveillance cameras or other protective measures.
In such delicate scenarios, seeking professional legal guidance offers a balanced approach, ensuring fair treatment while respecting the individual's unique circumstances. A person with a mental disorder will enjoy seeing you losing control, so when faced with malicious prosecution, it's crucial to maintain composure, gather substantial evidence, and entrust your defense to experienced, assertive legal representation. Most parties with some normal mental condition would realize that litigation, especially those involving children in family court, is no good for the children or for the parties. However, don't expect a person with mental issues to comprehend that. You may find yourself with a psychopath willing to sacrifice the children and everything else for the deep satisfaction of vindictive feelings with pleasure. In such grim circumstances, it's essential to prioritize safeguarding the well-being of involved children while seeking assertive legal defense against vindictive prosecutions. When dealing with unpredictable behavior in litigious matters, it's vital to prepare for all eventualities, ensuring your defense remains strong and unshakable. Lies, false narratives, and sometimes false evidence may be used against you when dealing with psychopaths and narcissistic individuals, so be prepared. In a contentious legal battle, particularly with manipulative individuals, expect and prepare for the potential use of false narratives and evidence. Individuals with mental issues can go unnoticed. Look, the example of Ted Bundy. No one would imagine the evil monster inside of that person. Mental health issues can often mask themselves, much like Ted Bundy's case, where his monstrous actions were unimaginable to those around him. 0. It is important to become vigilant and learn of the common behavior of individuals with specific mental disorders. One very common one is their enjoyment to see their enemies in states of stress, tension, agony, anxiety, and sadness. If you allow for those feelings to submerge the surface of your actions, you will be feeding the psychopath feelings of enjoyment, therefore they will continue to pursue you with no mercy. It's crucial to understand certain behavioral patterns to stay vigilant. Don't let your stress or anxiety become a source of satisfaction for manipulative individuals.
Finally, having a priority focus on the mental status of your children is important. Seek professional help for them as needed from an ethical mental professional who cares about helping your children, not your litigation, and if possible, family therapy for the sake of the family. Be careful of mental health professionals working under the direction of lawyers for the purpose of litigation. Remember, as hard as this could be, a mother or father with mental disorders are still the father or mother of your children. So it's best to handle this situation with a lot of caution. Ensuring the mental well-being of your children is paramount. Trust ethical professionals, focusing on therapeutic solutions over litigation for a healthier family dynamic. Recognize the signs, seek professional assistance, and prioritize mental health to maintain a balanced family life despite the challenges posed by mental disorders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.